Hi everyone and welcome to StepWise Academy. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher on Windows 10 or 11. First, open up your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Now head over to your search engine. Google works great, and type Epic Games Launcher. Make sure you click on the official website, which is store.epicgames.com. Once you're there, you'll see a download button. Click on that to start downloading the installer. The file is about 150 megabytes, so it shouldn't take long. Keep in mind that depending on your browser, the download might show up in different locations. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You might get a Windows security prompt. Just click Yes to allow it. Now choose the installation location or leave it as default, and then click Install. The launcher will now begin installing and verifying updates. This may take a few minutes, so just sit back and relax. When it's done, the Epic Games Launcher will automatically open. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in, or click Sign Up if you're new. You can sign in using various methods, including Epic Games, Google, Facebook, and more. After signing in, you'll be asked where you want to store your game files. You can set this now or change it later. And that's it. You now have the Epic Games Launcher fully installed and ready to use. Browse the store, check out free games, and start building your library. If this video helped you, please leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to StepWise Academy for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!